Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into episode 6 of my quarantine wash day series. So for this quarantine wash day, I'm going to do things a little bit different. I will not be shampooing and conditioning on camera. I'm just going to jump right into things just for the sake of time. But if you guys are interested in knowing what I cleaned my hair with, so I used Rich and Funky Hydrating Cleanser from Uncle Funky's Daughter. And I also used Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner from Uncle Funky's Daughter. And that is what I use to cleanse and condition my hair. I just want to say that this conditioner goes stupid and crazy, okay? Like the slip, the hydration, like this is like my favorite, absolute favorite conditioner. Favorite. Okay, that's a big for me to say. So yeah, I figured you guys didn't need to see me shampoo and condition my hair again for the however many time. And I could just skip it for this wash day, do it next wash day, whatever. So for this video, I will be using CurlsCurls clip-ins, curly clip-ins in my hair. So it came in this long plastic bag, and it has this nice like satin silky pouch that the clip-ins come inside of. And then you pull them out, and here they are. Here they go. So the clip-ins I have are the thick 10-piece Kinky Curly clip-ins. They are 18 inches long. The pattern is Kinky Curly 3C for a hair. The color is natural, and I'll put a link below to the clip-ins with my coupon code. So you guys, if you want to get your curly clip-ins from CurlsCurls, make sure you use that link below. This is my first time using curly clip-ins, and I'm kind of a little bit nervous to use them just because I do want them to blend well with my hair and look real. So I'm going to prep the hair. The reason I didn't want to shampoo and condition is because I have to shampoo and condition this hair too. We're going to go ahead and get this hair prepped. So when you order your clip-ins, it also comes with a pamphlet that kind of tells you curly clip-in installation, right? So you should shampoo, condition, and then pick your stylers and your styling tool. Step 1, apply warm water to the hair until it is completely wet. Step 2, apply one of our recommended gentle moisturizing cleansers. Apply it to soaking hair. Rinse hair while finger detangling until product is completely out. Step 3, apply one of our recommended conditioners. Finger detangle in a downward motion. Leave conditioner on hair for no less than 3 minutes. Rinse hair in cool water while finger or widened teeth comb, detangling until product's completely out. Apply one of our recommended water-based stylers on wet hair. Dry hair with a microfiber towel or t-shirt, then hang the hair to air dry. I'm gonna cut these little bands off so we can really see what these clips look like. And take this hair out. Oh, all right, here we are. So here is one clip. This is what one clip looks like. And it has 5, so that you can just clip it into your head just like that. So this is about my hair length. I think they said after you like wash it and condition it, it gets longer. So we're gonna see what it looks like after we wash and condition all 10 pieces of this clip-in hair. I noticed that there are some smaller pieces in here. See, this one only has 2 clips on it, and it's like a smaller section. So I guess that just really helps you fill in the parts that you want to do. And also it helps with different hairstyles. So like curly buns, or if you just want to add a certain piece of body on one side, you know what I'm saying? So the same shampoo and conditioner that I used on my hair, I'm going to use on these clip-ins. Once I finish washing these clip-ins, we'll go ahead and get into styling and moving along with wash day. Alright, so I have washed my clip-ins, and now I'm ready to put them in my head. So I'm gonna do a wash and go with these clip-ins. I feel like for my first clip-ins, tutorial, I should see how it blends with my actual curl pattern. So that's why I'm doing a wash and go. I can't wait to try a braid out with these clip-ins in, but yeah, I'm doing a wash and go, and I feel like my hair already takes so long to dry with a wash and go, so then adding in more hair, I feel like my head is gonna be wet for like forever. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna get to applying these clip-ins. So the products I'll be using on the clip-ins and my hair, I'll be using African Pride's Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream, and I'll also be using Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel. Ever since I've been doing this quarantine wash day, I just feel like my hair has been so much healthier. I haven't been like doing too much. I haven't been doing all different protective styles and all type of stuff. Curls popping. So I'm thinking that this hair will blend pretty well. You know what, we just gonna get into it and we gonna see what it's looking like. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is part a section, and I'm gonna take my rat tail and just make a little section back here. So I am going to put this leave-in on my hair. Then after this, I'm gonna put the gel on, and then I will apply my first clip-in and add the products to that as well. So my thing is, like, I know my hair is gonna blend while my hair is wet, but when my hair dries, okay, that is the part I'm nervous about. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna put in my first clip in, and let me just try one first. This hair about to have me feeling myself. Okay, do y'all see these inches? These clip-ins are really secure. Like, once they're on your hair, they are on your hair. And a part of me wants to just put the product on the clip-ins and then put the clip-ins in my hair, just so that I don't pull out the clip-ins while I'm applying my product. So I may try that for the next clip-in. So I'm just blending my hair with it. So I'm also just spraying a little bit of this Thirsty Curls from Uncle Funky's Daughter, and it's a leave-in curl revitalizer. Alright, so far you can see the difference between my hair and the clip-ins, just because there's more hair up here than down here. So hopefully when my hair dries and I'm able to pick it out, we will see then how it's looking. But right now I can see a difference, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. So I've already prepped my hair. I'm going to prep this hair and apply my products. right, so for the sides, I'm gonna use the smaller two clips. All right, so I have all of my clip-ins in. This part I'm gonna use to cover up any tracks and just make sure that it looks like a good, clean wash and go, no added hair. I used 9 out of the 10 clip-ins. So I almost used all of them, but not quite. So all of my clip-ins are in. I ended up taking out a clip-in actually, so I used 8 out of the 10 clip-ins. I took this one out because it just didn't look real, you know what I'm saying? It just looked a little bit too long, if you know what I mean. It looks a little bit more natural, as if my shape was cut this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry a little bit. I'm loving this wet look situation going on. So once my hair dries a bit more, I'll be back to show you guys a final look and style. All right, so my clip-ins have dried. My hair is not dry, but it's a little bit drier. What I will say is that next time that I put in these clip-ins, I'm gonna put in 2 rows at a time. Just so that it doesn't look so spacey, you know what I'm saying? Because you can see the difference between where my hair is versus the clip-ins. But this is the perfect texture for my hair. This is a piece of this is my real hair, and this is the clip-in. You guys can see just how similar the pattern is. So that I really, really love. I think the key to blending these clip-ins is positioning them correctly. So when you position them on your head, make sure that it's not gonna look thin in certain areas, and don't be afraid to add more clip-ins to a certain section if it's not looking as full as you would like it to, or whatever. So I'm actually really pleased with how this wash day went. I tried something new, got outside of my comfort zone. Now that I know how to put the clip-ins in, and I know that they actually blend with my curl pattern, I can continue to play with them and tweak them and adjust them until I have the routine down pat. So yeah, got me some curly hair clip-ins. The only thing that is bothering me is the fact that it's not as thick down here than it is up here, but overall I am very satisfied with these clip-ins. I love the way it turned out, and I can't wait until we out of quarantine, y'all, so I can bust out on y'all with these inches. Okay. So thank you guys so much for tuning into Quarantine Wash Day episode 6. thought I'd just mix it up a little bit and, you know, do some fun new ideas that I haven't done on my channel yet. So thank you guys so much for all your support. Comment below if you've tried curly clip-ins and do you have any curly clip-in hacks that you'd love to share. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.